Alright, so boom, this gotta be the worst referee in fighting history. Man's got caught in a triangle choke with no place to escape. The submission was locked in so tight, homie's spine was about to fly out of his epidermis. As his soul left his body, anybody with a brain would have called the fight right here, but the ref eyes just for decoration. Blue Gloves already left the building, his body's on autopilot. It's as if he fell asleep, then the Holy Spirit woke him up to inform him that the fight should be over. After nearly 12 motionless seconds, homie kicks his way back into the shadow realm and finds himself in an armbar with no way to escape. Look at the bend at the elbow. Buffalo Wild Wings don't even got flats that bend like that. Perhaps nobody informed the referee he doesn't need to see a submission in order to end the fight.
Stop right there! Stop! I swear Brock will break his arm!
The ref needs his license stripped and he needs to be stoned. Look at the clock. Mans is out at 3:35. At this point, he's had about 6 dreams, already deceased in about 5 of them. Inception didn't even dive this deep. Then, while unconscious, somehow his nostrils caught whiff of his opponent's scrotum, and just like smelling salt, Mans woke up. Could you imagine coming fresh out of anesthesia and getting put into an armbar? What's wild is his opponent extended him grace for about 2 seconds, but the referee said fuck that. Look at his knees. Mans is barely conscious, trying to recover from the triangle choke, and takes everything in his power to tap out, and the referee still didn't call the fight. This kind of officiating is only acceptable in the Kumite.
Oh my God! Oh my God! You broke his arm!
It's one thing to lose a fight. It's another thing if a referee's negligence leads to you having a potential fracture and ligament damage. I hope the ref gets sued for everything he's got. Had Vasquez taken 2 L's in one night, how you respawn into a submission? Had him in the triangle choke for 20 seconds, put him on the softest mattress.
Trust sleep for the rest of your life.
System rebooting.
Not on my watch.
Armbar! For the love of God, somebody stop this! Somebody stop the damn match! Enough's enough! Damn it, do it! Do it! That's enough! God, that's enough! Stop it! It is all over! He's gonna rot in hell for what he did here tonight. Well, this makes me sick. How in God's name can that human being be from this planet? How can he? Does he have no conscience? Does he have no heart? Do you have no soul? You son of a bitch! Do you realize what you just done?
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.